If you don't like guessing games but still want to master heart sounds, then listen up. Let's start with the basics. The lub dub you hear is the sound of your heart valves opening and closing. But what about those extra sounds? First up, the murmur. Think of a murmur as a whooshing or swishing sound. It often means there's turbulence in the blood flow, maybe from a narrowed valve or a hole in the heart. Next, the click. A sharp, high-pitched sound. This could indicate a valve problem like mitral valve prolapse, where a valve doesn't close properly. Then there's the rub, a scratching, grating noise. This might be pericarditis, where the sac around the heart is inflamed. Remember, each sound is a clue. With practice, you'll decode them like a pro. Keep listening, keep learning, and you'll ace those exams. Until next time, happy auscultating.